If you are looking for a delicious potato salad, a side dish, or even as a main dish, then you are in the right place. Let's get to it right from the start. We wash and cut some potatoes in big chunks. We leave the skin on, but you can peel them if you want. We add our potatoes to a big bowl and we season with salt and ground pepper. We add some olive oil in order to get a nice golden brown color while roasting them. We give them a good mix and we put them aside for a second. Meanwhile, in another bowl, we add some whole grain mustard. For the exact amount, check the description below. We continue by adding some sour cream and we finally chop some dill. Don't add a huge quantity to it because it has a strong flavor. We add a squeeze of lemon and we give it a good mix. This is how it should look like. We continue by chopping some fresh green onions. We slice some green olives and we are done with the prep. We proceed by roasting our potatoes at 190 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit for roughly 30 to 35 minutes, or until golden and crisp. Meanwhile, in a pan on a medium heat, we sear the bacon. We add just a touch of olive oil at the beginning. Our potatoes start to look amazing, so we turn them and we let them roast for a few more minutes. When they are done, we add them to a bowl. We add the sliced bacon, the green olives, followed by the green onions, and last the sour cream that we made earlier. We give it a good mix and our delicious salad is done. Now if you want, you can add boiled eggs to it, but we like it this way. The salty bacon with the sweetness of the potatoes go hand to hand. Not to mention the dill sour cream with the fresh green onions. It is simply amazing. Try it out and let us know what you think. If you enjoyed our video, then feel free to subscribe, like, or leave a comment below. See you on the next one.